How to use a forehead thermometer strip. This is a forehead thermometer strip. You will find this in a plastic bag with another type of thermometer in your kit. Hold the thermometer strip in front of you with both hands using your thumb and pointer finger to hold each end. Make sure you're looking at the black side of the test strip, the side without the numbers. Place the strip on the middle of your forehead while holding it firmly for 15 seconds. If you have someone who can help you read the thermometer, have them stand in front of you. They should be able to see the side with the numbers. If you don't have anyone to help, you can also look in a mirror. If you don't have someone to help and you are unable to read it in a mirror, you can use the test strip on the inside of your wrist. How to read the forehead thermometer strip. While the forehead thermometer strip is on your forehead, it can have 3 colors appear. If green is showing inside a black box, the number above it in that same box is your correct body temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. You might notice the temperature strip does not have every number, so if you are in between the degree Fahrenheit that is on each box, you may see the color blue or tan. If you see the color blue, this means you add 1 degree Fahrenheit to the number above in the same black box. If you see the color tan, or it might even look a little red, this means you take away 1 degree Fahrenheit to the number above in the same black box. Let's take a look at some examples. Sometimes you can see all 3 colors. In this example, within this box, you see blue here. And here, you see tan. But since green has appeared here, you can see that their correct body temperature is 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit. This would be a temperature read of having a fever. Keep in mind, wait to take your temperature at least 30 minutes after you finish eating, exercising, or being outdoors. Clean with a soft cloth and store in the plastic sleeve it came in, away from any sunlight or hot places. Always consult a doctor if you have a fever temperature at or above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. You can reuse the thermometer strip to check your temperature again and again for at least 3 months.